Welcome to Rhyl Library. Drop in to choose, collect and return books. When you visit the library, we will ask you to wear a mask and sanitise your hands. Our order and collect service is still available if you prefer to request books in advance, and we will have them ready for you to collect. If you prefer, you are welcome to choose your own books. Please keep a safe distance from other customers. Use our self-service terminal to borrow books or see a member of staff. Our team are available to help with book queries or council one-stop shop services. There are screens around the counters and staff wear masks. You can use the kiosk to pay council tax and make other payments. You can also use our socially distanced PCs for internet access and printing. Our photocopier is also available. Our home library service is available if you can't make it to the library. We look forward to welcoming you back soon.